welcome back to my channel. So as you know, we became the experts of Beverly Hills, Hollywood Hills, and Bel Air, but today we're here in beautiful Malibu. And the reason that we brought you here because Malibu is like the new Hollywood, and a lot of the celebrities live out here. There's amazing houses. This one is listed for $11,950,000 and it's 5 bedroom, 5 bath. It's 4,200 square feet, which is not a huge house, but you're really paying for the views. And once you see the views, you're gonna be like, Hollywood, what? You know? So let's go take a tour. Come on. So in the front, you have this nice little area to have like some fire and chill and have some coffee. But the real magic is inside. And check out this view. Oh my God, it is so beautiful out here. You can just forget about all your problems out here, literally.
Beautiful.
Have you seen anything more gorgeous than that? All right, so this is the front of the house, and this is the living room where it's in the main entryway. Here is a beautiful dining room, and I love this that they have this little nook of like to have breakfast in, and a beautiful modern kitchen. This house is really special because it has 3 units that are separated. Well, let's check out the little powder room first.
Yeah.
So right when you walk in, you have this powder room. All right. Look at this bedroom, you guys. Really?
Wow. You wake up to this?
I know. You want Hollywood Hills or you want the beach? I mean, that's really freaking cool. Don't you agree?
And you hear the sound.
Oh my
Ocean.
God, it's so nice here. I would love to live here. Look, all those couples walking.
Straight out of movie.
What's this? I think they're trying to catch crabs. Is that like a crab cage?
What is that?
I don't know. You can grow old as a married couple and do long walks on the beach.
Oh yeah.
How perfect is that? And of course, a beautiful restroom. You could just shower with the door open and just listen to the ocean breeze every day. What do you think about that?
Oh my God.
All right, so we're gonna go this way, and this is a walk-in closet.
Nice. Wood.
One of the things is like when you live near the beach. I used to live in Newport, and things rust out here, you know, and so it's you have to be kind of careful with materials. Yes. Right here is another.
Oh my God.
Would you mind being a guest in this room?
This is the guest room?
Yeah. This is your room. Bedroom. I'm sorry. Everyone gets so mad when I say guest room. You know what? It's because I don't have kids. So when I look at a room, I look at it as a bedroom or a guest. I mean, I look at it as a guest room, not a bedroom. But oh, this is really nice. It's really beautiful. I mean, I'm not kidding you, man. Every room has a freaking view in this house. It's really good.
Wow.
Not bad, right?
Really good.
All right.
Another room
There you go.
with view.
I know. It's pretty. I don't want to leave. I think we should just move in.
Wow.
I don't know. It's really digging this.
I like the sound.
Yeah, it's really beautiful. Really nice. I don't get impressed really easily because, you know, as you know, we look at the most magnificent homes every day. And so, but I'm really digging this house. And so here is the restroom that the 2 bedrooms will share.
Oh, is this
Sauna, yes.
Yeah, sauna. Nice.
Because you know, when you live in a $12 million house, you need a sauna. There's more guest rooms, and they're almost like separated, you know, and you have to go outside to get to them. But this is really special. You can rent these out. You can have in-laws stay here, but it's totally separate. And this has beautiful, beautiful home. Full restroom, really nice shower. I don't know, I like this. This is really nice if you have like that guest that wants like their own private little area, you know?
Yeah. Wow.
Oh my god, and then you come out to this.
You walk
I
to
mean,
this?
really? How can you go wrong? So this is like almost like a separate house over here. And I mean, I think it's really great if you have like, seriously, like a huge family, you put your in-laws in here. This is the next apartment. I guess like kind of like it's its own apartment because it has its own kitchen and everything. Beautiful restroom. Oh, you guys, who put that bed there? Okay. And just, I mean, I would not mind cooking in this house. I'm seriously so mesmerized by this view. I mean,
wow.
The water is literally right there, you guys.
It's so close.
It really is. It really is. It's right there. Like, I'm not kidding you.
You eat your breakfast over here.
I would. And then a nice little sofa area. I mean, you could just like chill here like all. I wouldn't even have a TV. By the way, I don't watch any TV. So I did Ask Me Anything on Instagram, and someone was asking me about like favorite TV shows and stuff like that. And I don't watch any television. And it's funny because I don't want to say who, but 4 networks contacted me about doing a TV show. So your girl might be on TV soon. It's really beautiful, you guys. I mean, the steps are like right there. You could go out into the ocean. This lower floor has a better view. I love it. And I'm wearing boots. It's really cold today, and so I'm wearing boots, but it was the wrong day to wear boots. I wish I wore like flip-flops so we could like run around in the water. All right, let's go check out this stairs.
Oh, we can go onto the beach.
Yeah. Wow, you guys, this is really special. This is really beautiful. There are a lot of neighbors. I feel like nobody's home, you know? So guys, thank you so much for going on our tour today. So this home is in Malibu and it is listed for $11,950,000. It's 5 bedroom and 5 bath. It's 4,200 square feet with 2 separate apartments. This one has a full kitchen. The other little apartment doesn't. But it will be like kind of like a guest room or spare room or bedroom. And the views here are super amazing. So if you want to take a tour of this home or any other homes, please contact me at caroline.choi at sotheby'shomes.com, or you can go to my website at caroline.choigroup.com. And we're filming videos every week for you guys. Mansion tours, we're doing car tours, and we're gonna start including some yacht tours and some really amazing stuff. So I need you guys to subscribe, because the weird thing is I have a very low subscriber count, but I have a high view count. So that means you guys are watching my videos and not subscribing. And so please help me out. Subscribe to my channel and watch my videos. And Jason, thank you so much. Isn't Jason doing an amazing job?
Thank you.
We love Jason, right? And thank you so much for everything. I love you and have a great day.